Guys, the way these AI things they go, just come and listen to this song. This song, I created this song, the beat, everything was created by AI, the lyrics, everything was created by AI. Just come and listen to this music. Okay, let me play. When I did it, it generated two for me to choose one. So let me play it so that you can see. Ah, look, we know they come down, only elevates. Omo, your body they high me like Bombay. Anytime I see you, I they meditate. Look, we your backside they talk, you they complicate. Say you bad like that, no they underrate. Baby wine for me, make I jubilate. Omo, your matter they scatter my meds. You they run things to be accidents. See your backside. You see, the most amazing thing right here is that the AI is actually speaking pidgin. I told the AI that I want Afro beat, the kind of song that Wizkid or Burna Boy can make, right? And this is what they got. Let me play the second one. I'm going to teach you guys how to actually do this, but I want you guys to actually enjoy the one that I did. This one that I played is the fast one, so they also generated the slow one. That's a low tempo. Oh yeah, let's go. Let me play it. Right, you can see right here. You can see the first one as loke one, and this one loke. So let me play the second one. Loke. We know they come down, only elevate. Omo, your body they high me like Bombay. Anytime I see you, I they meditate. Loke. Your backside they talk, they complicate. Say you bad like that, no they underrate. Baby wine for me, make I jubilate. Omo, your matter they... Guys, this is amazing, right? It's amazing. AI is taking over, and this thing, I'm telling you right now, a lot of people will actually use this to make money. I think after making this music, you can just publish it and put it on Spotify, put it on Audiomack, and start making money out of it. So, but if you really want to enjoy it, you just need to pay for the this thing, for the pro version, so that you get to enjoy many features. If you are somebody that understand music very well, you understand that the way the AI is flowing actually needs some fixing. But all those things is something you can do when you're using the pro. But this one is actually amazing. Everybody can enjoy this music. So let me dive into it and show you guys how I created this music. So the first thing I did is that I came to ChatGPT, and I came and I wrote this. I use this prompt. Let me go down. I said, ChatGPT, I said, create a complete Nigerian Afrobeat song with sweet, catchy lyrics, a chorus, and two verses. It should be danceable and should sound like something Burna Boy, Rema, and Wizkid might sing. So it's very simple. And then immediately I put the prompt, the ChatGPT generated. You see the intro, you can see the chorus, you can see the verse, right? So right here, I'm going to be doing something, guys. I will take this prompt, I'll copy it and then paste it right here and change some things, right? I'll say ChatGPT create a Nigerian Afrobeat love song. Let me put love song with sweet catchy lyrics, all right? Then I will remove this danceable. I will remove this danceable. I'll put it should sound like something or with Burna Boy, Rema, or Wizkid might sing, but I want to remove danceable so that let's create something different, right? Then I'll just put in the prompt right now. You can see ChatGPT is generating the lyrics. You can see the intro is generated. You can see the chorus. You can see the first verse, and the second chorus again, and the second verse, right? So let's what we just need to do right here is to just copy this lyrics from the intro to the outro. You just need to copy it, right? So, and also ChatGPT can actually help you. Like ChatGPT say, let me know if you like a hook melody suggestion, turn it into a recording song. If you actually want ChatGPT to do more work for you, ChatGPT is definitely going to do it for you. So guys, after creating the lyrics, with ChatGPT, the next you need to do basically is for you to go to any AI
music generating website. So the first one I actually usually use is this one, Suno Suno AI. This particular one, Suno AI. So, but the issue I have with them is that they are slow. It's very slow. So, what you need to do is just to come to Google and write Suno AI. So, once you write Suno AI, here is their this thing, the official website. So that this particular one I used in that particular music that you just heard, which is called Mureka, Mureka AI. As you can see right here, is sponsored even when I cite that, Mureka. So all you just need to do is for you to come to Google and type Mureka AI, and you can see it right here. Here is the official website. You just need to click on it, and they are going to bring you right here, and all you just need to do is for you to actually sign in your account. You just need to create an account with Gmail or any way you can actually create account with them. So basically I've already created an account. As you can see, my account is right here. So what I need to do right here for me to create a music right here is for me to first of all enter my lyrics, which is the lyrics I generated with ChatGPT. You can see that this place they wrote lyrics right here. So that's where I'm going to be putting my lyrics. So what I need to do is just to come back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to copy this our lyrics, and boom, I'm going to come right here and paste it. You understand? So you can see the lyrics comes with the intro, chorus, blah blah blah. So after you've inserted your lyrics and everything, the next you need to do is to come to this preference. The preference, they say create songs inspired by a preference track. Right here you just need to click on this cross. So if you click on the cross, you can actually upload any song you want the song that you're creating to sound like, but use a pro plan. Also, you can go to YouTube and put the link that you actually feel like you want the song to look like. So, but right here, due to because I'm using free version, I just need to follow the normal library. So what I need to do right here is just for me to come to this genre and select the particular genre I want the music to sound like, which I want my music to sound like Afrobeat. So I'm going to select Afrobeat, and right here you can see some Afrobeat songs you can actually select if you want them to sound like that. So I'm going to be selecting this Love Me Jeje by Thames. So I'm just click on this use right here, and boom. So the next thing is vocal. How do you want your vocal to sound like? Sing your song with any voice you like. So I just need to come right here, tap on it, and you can also upload your vocal even if you want to use your own personal vocal right here, but you need to pay for pro. And also you can go to YouTube and put any person's link that you want the vocal to sound like, right? They are going to do it. So but I'm going to be using the library right here. You can see several series of people that you can use, but me, I like using this Bruce. His vocal is so sweet. Let me play it. I dreamed of crafting a song, but the path felt so. This guy vocal is so sweet, so that's what I actually love using. All I just need to do is just to come right here and click on this use, right? And the next thing is to describe our music. So you come to this description, you just need to tap on the cross just the same way, and come and put any genre you want your music to be, which I want my music to be Afrobeat. I just need to select Afrobeat, and the next thing is mood. So I want the mood to be romantic. So let me go and look for romantic. Okay, here is romantic, and I'm going to be selecting passionate as well. So the next thing is a vocal gender. So I would like to use a male vocal, right? So all I just need to do basically is for me to just come and click on this done. So boom, I'm done with that. So right here you can see they said your melody idea, but this particular one you need to have a pro, understand, for you to use it, because basically you can just tap on it and do some recording and tell them, say, I want it to sound like this, I want the melody to be like this, or upload the melody idea you have, or go to YouTube and put in, right? So yeah, so you can also just, that's it. So but this one is actually for pro users. So because I'm done right here, so all I need to do basically is just to come and click on this create, and you can see they are going to actually create the music for me. So I don't need to tap on it and wait. So right here, they can see right here, you can see the music is being created. They are definitely going to create two music for me, and what I need to do is for me to actually choose the one that I like. So most times they create the high tempo and the low tempo, and once they are done, I'm going to be playing the two music for you to actually listen to them and see what we cut. This AI is actually mind blowing. Like, you can do a lot of things with AI, so it's actually generating. Okay, let's wait. So as you can see right here, so let me just play this one so that you can hear.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, my baby. Yeah. Bad man fall in love. Oh. I'ma no be smarty. Girl, you sweet my sugar cane. Your love they enter like hurricane. Anytime you touch me, they flame you. You bust my brain, no be game. You find past all the girls I know. Your body soft like velvet rope. I no go leave you, make.
So like, if you feel like, yeah, I don't really feel this one, then you can just come and play the second one. So let's see how the second one sounds.
Yeah, yeah. Oh my baby, yeah, yeah. Bad man fall in love, oh, but no be smarting. Girl, you sweet as sugar cane. Your love they enter like hurricane. Anytime you touch me, they flame, they pass my brain. No be game. You find past all the girls I know. Your body soft like velvet rope. I no go leave you, make them know. Now only you I want for sure.
Guy, this is mind blowing actually. See, this is exactly, see, they made the instrumental, they played everything magically. So if you want me to make a video on how to create a musical video with AI, just go to this comment section and write make it, understand? Just write make it, and I'm going to be making a video on how to create music video with AI. So the next thing you need to do basically, so you just come right here and click on publish, and we are going to actually publish it. You can also adjust the size and everything right here. So you just need to click on this publish right here, and it has been published, right? So the next thing you need to do basically is for you to just come, if you want to download, right, you can just come right here, this three dots right here, and you can see download as an mp3, but actually you just need to tap on it and pay. So you need to pay for it to use it. So this is exactly how to make full music. And if you actually check on the price, you can see this is $8. There is no studio you can actually make music with $8 right now. You understand? Unless it's all just normal studio. So it's important for you to actually pay for you to get to enjoy. If you want your beat to be like Charlie Poppy, if you want your beat to be like anybody, right? Just tell them and they're going to do it, right? So if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment, and see you in my next video.